All right. Settle in, y'all, and welcome back to Unbelievable Truths with your favorite auntie, Auntie Scalp. Today, we gotta have a come to Jesus meeting.
Me?
Yeah, you heard me. I'm talking to you, the one who's been rocking that same install for 6 weeks. You fine. You feeling yourself. He looking at you like you just cursed his whole bloodline. Awkward silence. You want to know why? I'm going to tell you why. Crowd screaming, "Cause what is that smell?" Look, I need you to do something for me. When you get home, peel that wig off gently. That wig cap done seen warfare. That ain't a cap no more. That's a historical artifact of funk. Your scalp got trust issues. It's wondering if you ever truly loved it at all. And this is where the real tea comes in. You can't just slap some shampoo on that and call it a day. Nah, that buildup is stubborn. It's out detox. It's not a game. It gets all that gunk, grime, and regret out of your pores so your hair can actually breathe and grow. And you wonder why you ain't seeing no growth. Why your edges look like they're in the witness protection program.
Me?
Your follicles are on strike, honey. They've unionized against the tyranny of the unwashed wig cap. So please, for me, for your edges, for the man who's still in the corner recovering, girl wash that install and detox that scalp, okay? That's my time.